What happened approximately 10 years ago is I got into a dispute with a bank. And even though, in fact, I was in the right, the bank negatively reported my credit such that they destroyed my credit rating. Suddenly, I went from flawless credit to terrible credit. I would receive notice after notice from companies telling me that I have been pre-approved for credit. And when I would try sending in the application, I would always receive a letter that said, due to unnamed conditions, I was denied. I know what the unnamed conditions are. They had destroyed my credit. I dropped well over 100 points. I had not realized up until this incident how critically important credit was and could be in one's life. I did not realize how much of my life credit influenced and how important it was to have good credit. In desperation, as I was attempting to wrap up my dealings with the first lawsuit, I reached out to Nick and Key Credit Repair. Their services were incredibly helpful. I appreciated the work, the time that they spent with me. I appreciated their willingness to explain what was happening to me and what steps they were going to take to try and assist me. We were successful. And as a result of that, my credit scores have now jumped over 100 points across all three credit reporting services. My current credit scores are 820, 816, and 809. This is up significantly from what it was only 6 months ago. So I want to thank Key Credit Repair for all of the support that they provided, including a willingness to support me in the final stages of the lawsuit.